What were your key connections to your success? Yeah, yeah. I would say the most important thing for me is a very positive attitude. Back in my 20s, I stopped hanging out with negative people. When I was younger, it was five strikes you're out, or five strikes you're out. I'm from Canada. And then I got a bit older in my 20s, and I told myself, you know what? I don't think I can reach my full potential in life if I hang out with people that are negative influence. And so when you're younger, your parents try to pick your friends for you. But when you're older, meaning 20s or older, you pick your friends yourself. If they're making you unhappy and telling you you can't be successful, then screw it. Cut them off. Move on. And so for me, I've always had a very, very positive attitude. Always a positive attitude. Some people think I'm naively too positive, but it's just the way I've been, and it's a recipe that works. You can accomplish anything you want. And there's Steve Jobs. I licensed this video on called "No One Is Smarter Than You" by Steve Jobs. And if you want, go to my YouTube channel and search for it. It's about a minute long, and it'll change your life. Steve Jobs, "No One Is Smarter Than You" on my YouTube channel. And I realized when I was in my 20s, finally, that the biggest success factor for you is confidence as well. And just know in your mind you can do anything. There's no limits to what you can achieve. And as James Cameron said, wonderful Canadian director, Represent, he said, if you set your goals high and you fail, you still fail above everyone else's expectations. And who gives a damn what other people think anyway? Who cares? Who cares? But just be very, very positive. Write down your goals. I write down my goals all the time. I still do. I've achieved every single goal that I've wanted that I wrote down in my 20s. And I wrote down a ton of goals. The one I haven't gotten yet is a black belt in karate because I got into a car accident, but whatever. I'm glad I got into a car accident because it sent me down a different path in life too. And I will still get my black belt one day when this damn thing heals. Yeah. But I'm a mean yellow belt. I got to tell you. I mean, like Muhammad Ali, how he says it. Yeah. I'm a mean yellow belt.